And now we will do actual activity. We have just created one variant name and assigned to the company code, and now we will click on open and close posting periods. That means 222C, click on new entries. So this is account type. So we have how many account types? Here we have A, D, K, M, S. So V is another module, not from FICO. This is another module. So we need to see only this. As for FICO, we only need assets, customers, vendors, materials, and GL accounts. Any account type will come under this 4 only, under this 5. Maximum materials also will not be using, only small topic will be there. There, that is the last topic where we'll do integration. So that is material topic. Only one GL account will create, will not do anything with that. But as far as for us, for FICO consultant, we need to understand only assets, customers, vendors, and GL accounts. Any GL account which we create will come under this 4 only. If whether it will be an asset or customer or vendor, or it is a normal GL account. Like sales, purchases. For sales, we'll create one GL account. For purchases, we'll create one GL account. So this is called as GL account. So for example, I'm selecting this place first. This is valid for all accounts. That means for all these accounts, it will get valid. This is like inclusive of all in one. Plus is for all in one. First, I'll select all the account types: assets, customers, vendors, materials, and last is GL accounts. This is the identification for those account types. And here, if we see from account and to account, this is the namings. How to name the GL account, like sales, purchases, or it should be income account, or it should be discount, cash discount, GST, any name which we give to the GL account. And from period 1 and to period 1, this is for normal posting periods. We have just seen 12 normal posting periods are there. So that is this. And from period 2 is for special posting periods. And from period 2 period 3 is for transferring transactions from CO controlling to FI. There will be some entries which are posted in controlling. So those will be transferred from controlling to FI only in these periods. In which period if it is open. So now we will give to account as ZZZ. So I am giving so that ZZZ will be last name until this numbers until this probabilities. I think if you know probability, you can understand this concept. So until this letters I can give. And from period to period, here what we see is, here I am typing 1 2025 and 12 2025. That means here also same. I'll explain you after typing. So here if we see, this plus account is used like this is the, like in category, in hierarchy it is called as collector, like IAS. For example, if I open this posting period from 1 to 12, and for assets if I open only for first period, then I can post the transactions in assets only in the first posting period. In April only I can post. Okay. For example, if I select this 1 to 3, that means April, May, June. In 3 months I can post all the asset related transactions. So all GL accounts which are related to assets, I can post to the GL accounts in this only 3 months. If I want to open only first posting period, I'll select only 1 and 1 here. And for example, in plus if I type 1 and 1, and if I type 1 and 12 in the assets, it will not get, we cannot post in any posting period apart from 1. Okay, so 1 is like, uh, in hierarchy it is top level. If it says no, no one can post. For example, I'll tell you an example. For example, in there is in IAS collector office, there are SI, CI, head constable like that. So they have 12 cars. So plus is an IAS. Here if we say this plus is an IAS, he is the collector. So he has 12 cars. And he said to all the CI, he is a CI, SI, head constable, and type writer, like this. So he said, okay, you can use, I have 12 cars, you can use any car. Anyone can use any car. So that anyone can use any car. But if he said only one car you need to use, I have 12 cars, but you can use only one car. Does SI can use any car? No, he can use only one car. Even though if we type here 1 to 12, he cannot use those 12. He can only use one car only. So this is like, this will overwrite all the plus will overwrite all the rules of this account type. So for plus, anytime we need to have 12. But for this all accounts we can change from 1 or 2. At this time we can take like, now IS have said okay, 12 cars you can use. So CI will use one car, SI will use two cars, head constable will can use four cars. Any number of cars they can use. Any car they can pick. But now I am giving us 1 to 12 only. And from period, this is also same like that. In which posting period we need to do the special type of transactions, adjustments. So I'll open all the posting periods, all the special posting periods. So this is how we need to configure, and click on save. So now all the posting periods are open. All the special periods are also open, so that we can post to any, or any month